After my trip from Masai Mara, Kenya in April 2023, this is my first bird trip in the month of August to Shelar Farms, which is in Pangare village near to Saswad town, Pune district of Maharashtra state, India. The distance from my hometown Hyderabad to Pangare village via Saswad town is around 555.6 kilometers with 10 hours 46 minutes drive on National Highway 65. Distance from Saswad town to Shelar Farms is 11 kilometers with 20 minutes drive. For outstation birds like me, Saswad is the only town which has hotels and restaurants to stay. The distance from Pune city to Shelar Farms is around 44.6 kilometers with 1 hour 45 minutes drive. Birders who are coming from Pune airport and also Pune railway station, for them the distance is 40 kilometers, and the Pune localites who are birders especially can easily drive in and reach the destination for both the morning and evening sessions for bird photography. There are two sessions to attend this farm. First session is from 7 a.m. till 11 a.m. and second session is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. There is also another session available that is called full day session, which is from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And also you have to report 15 minutes before for a quick briefing by the farm guide and also the owner, Mr. Gaurav. For stay, especially outsiders like me, Saswad is the nearest town which has decent hotels in a budget and in reasonable price. Homestay is also available at the farm, organized by Mr. Gaurav, but if you prefer very decent and big hotels for stay, then Pune is the only option available for you, and you have to be prepared to drive for 45 kilometers to and fro. For photography and bird observation, the charges are 1000 per person per session, and if it is full session, that is 2000 rupees. The option is left to us, and in my opinion, full day is not worth to stay in the field due to harsh light, humidity, and heat. It's better to avoid the session from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. And even the birds' movement will also be very less. Gaurav arranges breakfast in the morning session, like poha, and twice the tea is available. But I also advise you guys to carry some snacks as fillers. Always carry a tripod or monopod for the excellent pictures and videos. If you are carrying heavy camera lenses that ranges from 200 mm till 500 mm or more than that till 600 or 800 mm even, then you should definitely carry either a monopod or a tripod, because handheld definitely you cannot take. I'm sure about it. Many photographers and YouTube creators across India visit this place during August and September months. So if you have not visited, then please visit this place, especially for the most beautiful bird called Vernal hanging parrot that is seen majorly in the western parts of India. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel friends. Today I came to Shelar farm and I'm here to capture some of wild birds. I could say the birds, and the birds names are like a vernal hanging parrots, and also we have got a crested bunting, and there are plenty of birds are here. And this is quite, and this is a jowar field, and in this jowar field this is especially for birding, and these are the birds, and this is the jowar, like where the birds come and sit, and they will pluck uh, from this. And this is quite a good sight, and it's like I traveled almost a 500 plus kilometers traveling from Hyderabad till here. And the morning I had my session, and I also came for the afternoon session, and I am carrying my D500 with PF 500 ADVR lens along with a Manfrotto tripod also. Anyways, I'm going to the site, so I'll show you some of my pictures and also the videos. Stay tuned.
This is the actual place where we will find this vernal hanging parrots and also crested buntings. It's quite challenging place, and this is the right place where we can see a plenty of birding here. And these are the fields, and these are the jawar. This is the jawar field, and you can see there's a plenty of birds here all around. The weather is pleasant, and not many clouds over here. है इनका नाम पहली बार, और गौरव यहाँ का फेमस पर्सनालिटी है, और गौरव सभी यूट्यूब चैनल्स वाले को बहुत हेल्प भी करता है. He keeps helping to plenty of people who, especially the birders who came here multiple times, and also like me, who is the first time visitor here. And Gaurav has very clearly explained the types of birds that what we see here in the morning session, and again he's helping me in the afternoon session as well. So I'll take Gaurav's help, good videos for my channel.
Vernal hanging parrot is a small parrot which is a resident bird in the Indian subcontinent and some other areas of Southeast Asia. It depends majorly on the availability of fruit, seeds, birds, and blossoms that make up its diet. They are only 14 centimeters long with a short tail, and the adult male has a red rump and bill and a blue throat patch, whereas females has a green patch. Vernal hanging parrots are usually seen in dry jungles and in cultivation lands. They nest in tree cavities that fragmented with leaves around. These vernal hanging parrots lay around 2 to 4 eggs, and the female parrot incubates the eggs for 20 days, and then the chicks leaves the nest after 33 days from hatching. Their call is loud chattering, and they are seen in small groups during breeding times, and they are most beautiful birds in the bird species.
Hello everyone, my name is Satish. I'm a nature bird and wildlife photographer, and welcome to my channel Wildlifer Satish. And he is Mr. Gaurav, and he is the owner of this entire space, this entire place of Java field. and he is a birder and he has got a very good knowledge on entire birds, and especially the vernal hanging parakeet, which is one of the star highlight. And I would request Gaurav to speak a few words about this entire farm. ओके
तो
ओके गौरव आप
तो
बात कर सकते हैं।
हेलो जी दोस्तों, मेरा नाम गौरव शेलार है और ये मेरा फील्ड है बाजरे की, और मैं इसका ओनर हूँ। और मेरा सीज़न रहता है अगस्त और सितंबर। अगस्त फर्स्ट वीक से बर्ड्स आते हैं और सितंबर लास्ट वीक यार अगस्त अक्टूबर फर्स्ट वीक तक रहते हैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। और अपना इधर स्पेसीज आता है वर्नल हैंगिंग पैरेट, अपना टारगेटेड स्पेसीज रहता है। और बहुत से बर्ड्स आते हैं लाइक प्लम हेड पैराकीट, रोज रिंग पैराकीट, ट्राई कलर मोनिया, आशी प्रिनिया, प्लेन प्रिनिया, ग्रेवेस्टेड प्रिनिया एंड स्केलीवेस्टेड मोनिया, वाइट बेलिड मिनीवेट, क्रेस्टेड बंटिंग, कॉमन रोज फिंच, रेडा वेडावेट एंड बर्ड से कॉमन से और बर्ड से। तो इसका सीज़न रहता है अगस्त और सितंबर तक। एंड मैंने अभी 4-5 साल से स्टार्ट किया है। तो अगर आपको कोई फ़ोटोग्राफी करनी हो तो मेरे इधर आ सकते हैं। और इस साल मैंने थोड़ा सनफ्लावर्स भी लगाया है, तो मैं देखता हूँ सनफ्लावर्स पे कौन से बर्ड्स आते हैं। ट्राई किया है मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम, तो देखते हैं कौन से बर्ड्स आते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच गौरव, ये बहुत बड़ी बात कही है आपने।
हाँ।
एंड since many people across India they visit these Shelar farms, and this is my first visit to this beautiful place. Thanks to Gaurav for making me to visit his farm. I traveled from Hyderabad, from my hometown, yesterday night around 10 o'clock, and I reached here by 7:30 in the morning. The whole night it was driving with my friend Mr. Munna. He was with me accompanying for this entire trip. It was amazing. Morning trip, it was good. We had a very good sighting of all the birds, and we took a break, lunch break, and again we came back and we started a second one. Even we got a plenty of videos of vernal hanging parakeets and strawberry munias and finches and a lot of across. And we will definitely look forward. We will come back again with my other set of friends. गौरव जी, हम फिर बाद में आते हैं हैदराबाद से, हमारे दोस्तों को लेके आते हैं।
Okay,
And
sir.
meanwhile, thank you so much for hosting us, and also thank you so much for the hospitality.
थैंक यू सर।
Right. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. So after a nice trip, I stayed in a hotel called Himalaya Inn, and this is quite a nice hotel and a budget. And for one room for AC, it's 1500, and the food is really delicious and amazing, and even the hospitality is also good. I would recommend, if anyone is interested for a Shelar farm, if somebody wants to visit, they can check in this hotel. This is how it looks like, and this is the entrance, and this is a sit-out area, and this is a complete hotel. This is how it looks like. This is a restaurant and also hotel for a budget trippers who are anticipating for a vernal hanging parrot bird photography. For those people, I would suggest they can check in this hotel. Like, they have got a menu here, everyday menu they will be giving, and this is like a reception area. This is how it is, and even this is the dining and sit-out area. So this hotel has got amazing and delicious food menu. Yesterday afternoon, I ordered pahadi kebab. That was very nice, along with mutton curry and jeera rice and some 2 rotis. It was yummy lunch. And after having lunch, we headed to Shelar Farms. Then after that, once we came back at 5:30 somewhere in the evening, we had some relaxation. And at the night, we ordered again pahadi kebab and also tandoori chicken. And along with that, curd rice is also available, which is a strange part. Of course, in Maharastra, curd rice availability is a bit a challenge. That is also available. Overall, I could suggest for a budget trippers like me, and also a bird photographers like me, this place is quite a nice place. I would suggest you to check in this hotel. ठीक है, thank you भैया. We'll see you again. So guys, after a successful trip for vernal hanging parrot, I am heading towards Oriental dwarf kingfisher. That is around maybe 80 to 90 kilometers from here, from Saswad. The Saswad is the place where I am in right now. So from here, I'll be heading to that place, and let's see what goes on and how it is. And this is our car. This is where we traveled, and he is my friend Munna.
Hello.
Okay. since we are late for the breakfast, so obviously like we would like to grab some snacks. All right, see you guys at Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher.